Hello. So I want to do a quick video um, showing the basics of how to access your account because I realize some of us are not going to have the chance to sit down immediately to show you how to order on your website. So what you do is go to doterra.com, and this is the page that you will see. Click login, and you'll put in whatever your member number was that was emailed to you. We are in the 6 millions now. I was within the first million. So you'll put in your ID, you'll put in your password. Uh, Typically, with passwords, if you've set it up yourself, you'll know it. If I set it up, it's a combination of a few things. I'm not going to share exactly how I do it, as this video is going to be on YouTube. But those of you on my team do know my secret. I do it that way so that I remember, oh yeah, Susie Q, yours was blah, 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 blah. That way it's easy for me to remember once I've set it up to give it to you to change. So once you're here, you're going to go to log in, and you're going to see this screen. This is going to be a little different for your first time because you're not going to have this here. This is my loyalty rewards card that processes every month. But to create just a standard one-time order, if you'll look down here, we got loyalty order or one time. Just click on create one-time order, and right there you're shopping. So you'll go here, you'll go start shopping, and go through what you want. You ordered say the home essentials kit, so you've got the top 10 and a diffuser. Well, maybe you want to try a couple of different blends. One of my favorite blends is doTERRA's Balance. So you're just going to find the Balance bottle right there and click add. And you've got some stomach upset, so we're going to do a Digest Zen Touch. And we're going to go to our On Guard products. And for kicks, you want the cleaner concentrate. Once you get everything added that you want, and once the computer decides, hey, there we go, all right, you then just will click up here to the cart icon, and review the order. And you'll go through, oh yeah, this is what I want. Yep, these are the things, blah, blah, blah. And in here, your address should already be stored from your enrollment order. It automatically chooses the standard shipping. You'll notice the pricing, the faster you get it, the more it costs. And then payment method if you chose to save your debit card. If not, that's fine. We will, just deal with that later. And then you go through, proceed to check out, and you check out. You do get half of your shipping back on a standard order. If you were to choose to do a loyalty rewards order, which we will cancel this, and you go back here, create a new loyalty order. You pick whatever date that you want it to start on. I recommend before the 15th because then you get the free product of the month. So let's say you are picking the 12th. And then we're going to go through and order the same things that we just did. So we're going to get us some Balance, some Digest Zen, And we're going to get the On Guard Cleaner Concentrate. So now we're reviewing our loyalty order. This qualifies to earn loyalty rewards points. So if you'll look over here on the right-hand side, you are going to earn back 100% of your shipping. So you're paying $6.99, you're going to get $7 back. And at the beginning, you earn 10% back. So for you, this will only be $5 in the beginning. I earn 30% back. That's how I have accrued this 187, you see. But it's that simple to place the order. It's awesome, actually. And yeah, if you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to me or whoever enrolled you. And yeah, that's about it. So have a good one.